What should you pack for a Tanzanian safari, and what are the common items travelers wish they had brought with them? Many people spend months planning the perfect safari, only to realize after they arrive that they packed the wrong clothing, forgot an important item, or brought luggage that isn't ideal for their itinerary. In this video, I will share practical safari packing tips based on the questions travelers ask most often, along with a few commonly overlooked items that can make a big difference once you're out in the bush. Let's begin with the clothing. One of the most useful safari packing tips is to dress in layers. Tanzania's climate can vary significantly throughout the day. Early morning game drives can feel surprisingly cool, especially in areas such as the Ngorongoro Highlands, while afternoons are often warm and sunny. A lightweight jacket or fleece is extremely useful for early starts, while breathable shirts and trousers help keep you comfortable later in the day. One thing that surprises many first-time visitors is how cool it can feel during early morning and evening game drives, particularly in open safari vehicles. Even when daytime temperatures are warm, the combination of wind and open landscapes can make mornings and nights feel surprisingly chilly. If your itinerary includes early departures or night game drives, a warm fleece, light jacket, and extra layer can make a huge difference to your comfort and enjoyment. When choosing colors, many safari travelers prefer neutral tones such as khaki, beige, tan, olive green, and light brown. These colors blend naturally into the environment and tend to be practical for safari activities. It's worth remembering that dusty roads are part of the safari experience, especially during the dry season, so clothing that doesn't show dust easily can be very helpful. One question I hear frequently is, do I need heavy hiking boots? For most traditional safari itineraries, the answer is usually no. Much of your wildlife viewing will take place from a safari vehicle. So a comfortable pair of walking shoes, trainers, lightweight trail shoes is often perfectly adequate. If your itinerary includes walking safaris, mountain trekking, or more active outdoor adventures, check with your tour operator beforehand to see what footwear is recommended. I also suggest packing a pair of sandals or comfortable slip-on shoes for relaxing around your lodge or camp after a long day in the bush. A safari creates memories you will want to keep forever, so it's worth thinking about your camera equipment and electronics before you travel. During the dry season, safari roads can be dusty. Keeping cameras, lenses, phones, and other electronics in a protective pouch or soft bag can help keep them clean and protected. A microfiber cloth is useful for cleaning lenses and screens. If you enjoy photography, consider bringing extra memory cards or making sure you have enough storage available on your devices. Binoculars are another item many travelers are glad they packed. They can make a huge difference when spotting wildlife in the distance. For power, many lodges, camps, and safari vehicles provide charging facilities. But carrying a small power bank is always a good backup. Don't forget a universal travel adapter as well. The African sun can be strong, especially during long game drives. A wide-brimmed hat, sunglasses, sunscreen, and a lip balm can make your days much more comfortable. Insect repellent is also worth packing, particularly for evenings and certain locations. If you take prescription medication, make sure you bring enough for your entire trip and keep it in your carry-on luggage. Many travelers also find it useful to pack small personal medical kit containing basic items such as pain relievers, allergy medication, and motion sickness tablets if needed. Now let's talk about luggage. If your itinerary includes domestic safari flights, luggage restrictions are particularly important. Many safari flights operate using smaller aircraft which often have specific baggage requirements. Soft-sided duffel bags are commonly recommended because they are easier to load into aircraft baggage compartments than hard-shell suitcases. Weight limits can vary depending on the airlines and route, so always check directly with your airline or tour operator before traveling. Tanzania is home to some of the world's most remarkable natural environments, and protecting them is something we take seriously. Visitors should be aware that plastic carry-on bags are restricted in Tanzania. For toiletries, electronics, and wet clothing, consider using reusable pouches, packing cubes, or cloth bags instead. A reusable water bottle is another excellent item to bring, helping reduce single-use plastic while traveling. If you are like many travelers, your safari may be followed by a few days in Zanzibar. If that's the case, consider packing a few lighter items suitable for beach and coastal environments. When visiting places such as Stone Town, many visitors choose clothing that is comfortable while also showing respect for local customs and culture. And one final tip, leave a little extra room in your luggage. Many travelers return home with beautiful souvenirs, local crafts, artwork, beadwork, spices, or even a special piece of Tanzanite. Final safari checklist. Before you leave home, make sure you have neutral colored clothing, a light jacket or fleece, comfortable walking shoes, hat and sunglasses, sunscreen and insect repellent, camera and extra memory cards, binoculars, universal adapter, power bank, prescription medications, soft-sided luggage if required, and reusable water bottle. Packing smart allows you to spend less time worrying about the logistics and more time enjoying the incredible experience that brought you here in the first place. Whether it's your first safari or your fifth, a little preparation goes a long way. I hope these tips help you feel confident and ready for your Tanzanian adventure. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing to Timeless Tanzania for more travel insights, practical advice, and stories from across this beautiful country.